Welcome to Daily Epoch, your daily dose of AI news. Let's dive into today's top stories. GitHub just gave Copilot Agentic memory, so it now remembers your repo's coding patterns across sessions and validates them automatically. The feature boosted pull request merge rates to 90% in early tests. Android Studio just added Bring Your Own Model, letting developers run local AI like llama for full privacy and zero API costs, though you'll need a powerful machine with plenty of RAM. Black Forest Labs just released FLUX.2 Klein distilled AI models that generate and edit images in under half a second on a gaming PC. The 4 billion parameter version runs on just 13 gigabytes of VRAM and is fully open source, bringing real-time professional imaging to consumer hardware for the first time. Anthropic just upgraded Claude code with automatic tool discovery that saves up to 70,000 tokens by lazily loading MCP tools only when you need them, finally letting developers use dozens of tools without hitting context limits. Meituan just released Flash Thinking, a 560 billion parameter reasoning agent that tops real-world benchmarks. It's a mixture of experts model, meaning only 27 billion parameters activate per token, and its heavy thinking mode parallelizes reasoning paths to solve complex problems, all fully open source. Google's new TranslateGemma models bring high-quality translation to everyday devices. The 12 billion parameter version, which runs on a laptop, outperforms much larger models across 55 languages and can even translate text from images without extra training. Baidu's ERNIE 5.0.01110 just became the first Chinese AI model to crack LM Arena's global top 10, ranking 8th overall with a 1,000 ELO score and 2nd worldwide in math benchmarks. Voyage. AI just solved a massive RAG headache. Their Voyage 4 embeddings all share the same mathematical space, so you can index with one model and query with another. No re-indexing needed. Their multimodal model also now supports native video retrieval. llama.cpp just fixed a critical CUDA flash attention bug that was crashing NVIDIA GPU Inference, and added Adaptive P, a new sampler that dynamically adjusts token probabilities to boost creativity and prevent repetitive outputs. Hugging Face just backed Open Responses, an open-source standard that lets AI agents think and act across any provider by automatically calling tools and looping through tasks, meaning no more vendor lock-in for building autonomous AI. Google just added SQL-Native Inference to BigQuery, letting you run any Hugging Face model directly on petabyte-scale data with 2 simple SQL commands. No data movement, no infrastructure to manage. Docker Model Runner now lets you run OpenCode's AI coding assistant completely privately on your own machine. That means your code never touches the cloud, you eliminate API fees, and it just works with the tools you already use. NVIDIA just open-sourced PersonaPlex, a real-time voice AI that can listen while talking and handle interruptions naturally. It lets you control its personality with simple text prompts, switch voices instantly, and runs at just 170 milliseconds. Microsoft just released OptiMind, a specialized 20 billion parameter AI model that turns plain English into solver-ready code for optimization problems. It basically automates the expert-level work of translating business constraints into mathematical equations, cutting a process that normally takes days down to minutes. Chinese AI company StepFun just released Step3 VL10B, a 10 billion parameter vision language model that uses parallel reasoning at test time to compete with 200 billion parameter models, all under an Open Apache 2.0 license. That's it for today's Daily Epic AI news. Come back tomorrow for more industry updates.